Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Amazon Flex error. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you're having problems with the Amazon Flex app here and you're getting those errors inside the app, well, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clear the cache or update the app. So, in this case, you want to go ahead and look for the Amazon Flex app and you want to go and press and hold on it. And until you see this pop up here. Now you want to go and click on the I or the letter here that has a circular icon on it. Let's go and just press or click on it. Now once you are in this page, what you need to do is you want to go and click on clear data and click on clear all data. Now by the way, in doing so, this will also log you out from the app, so make sure to that you know what your credentials here before doing so. But yeah, you can go and click on clear all data, click on OK. And once you've done that, you want to go and head over into Google Play Store, look for Amazon Flex, and just make sure that the app is fully updated. Now, if you do see any update button here, you may want to click on the update button and see if that actually help. Now, also another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to restart your phone. Sometimes this helps, and see if that actually works. Now, if none of this actually works, the final and last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to uninstall and reinstall the app. Now, sometimes doing a good reinstall can help a lot, so go ahead and just do that and see if that helps. Now, an additional thing that you may want to do here, but this is kind of on the blurry side, you could also reach out to their support team. So you can either call the following number or reach out to their email address here or their email account and see if they could give you or provide you further instructions or further things that you could try to fix this issue. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.